Are you looking to boost your career in finance or ensure your organizations meet the highest standard in financial reporting? If so, the Financial Reporting, Ledger, Tax, and Auditing Excellence course is exactly what you need. This course is brought to you by Coursera in collaboration with Starweaver. Hello, I'm Manish Gupta and I will be your guide through the intricacies of financial management. With extensive experience in financial reporting, I'm here to help you master the skills necessary to maintain excellence in your organization's financial activity. This course will equip you with the knowledge to perform comprehensive ledger maintenance, employ strategic tax planning, and implement the best auditing practices. You will also learn through practical examples, detailed analysis, and engaging content designed to make complex concepts clear and applicable. Join professionals like yourself from around the globe who are enhancing their skills to meet the challenges of today's financial environment. Whether you are advancing your career or ensuring your organization's financial integrity, this course will provide the tools you need for success. Enroll in financial reporting, ledger, tax, and auditing excellence today and start transforming your understanding and capabilities in financial reporting. I look forward to welcoming you in our community of learners. See you in the course.